Summer is just around the corner and we've got to get our nails ready. What is up my nerdy peeps, I hope you're having an amazing day and welcome to Nerdy Nails, and we are back with another nail polish from around the world video, and today we are reviewing this cute little nail polish box I found in TK Maxx. I thought it was really cute and it was really cheap, and I thought why not, let's buy it and give it a mini review. So as you can see from the label, the retail price for this was £8, but I paid it $4.99. So I thought for what you got for £5, this is a nice little cute bundle of nail polish and perfect for summer that is just around the corner. Even the packaging is really cute. I really like the cardboard piece of paper of the beach and the surfboard and the two nail polishes. This is perfectly packed and designed for summer, but let's have a closer look at the goodies we have got in this little summer bag. So we've got a nice light pink metallic-y chrome polish, we've got a kind of bronzy brown metallic chrome polish, and we've also got a Emery file board in the shape of a surfboard. So our first in-depth look at these polishes is the metallic-y chrome bronze polish. This reminds me of Fake Tan and it's called Heat Shimmer. A nice summer name, and I think it's also a really nice summer polish because if you really like Fake Tan, it definitely makes me think of that Fake Tan colour. So I really like this shade and I think it's a perfect vibey colour for the summer. Application of this polish, it applies really nicely. I filmed this video a couple of months ago and I just never got around to editing it, and I don't really know why I did the swatch on one of the plastic nails, considering you can see it's on my nails itself. But I don't know why I did this. This is actually just a past silly nerdy nails thing I did in the past. But as you can see on the clear nail, it is applying nicely. I did have to apply a few extra coats as it took a little bit longer to get the bold opaque shade because I'm applying it on a clear plastic nail. But on my natural nails, it took about 2 coats. So application is completely fine. I don't have a problem with the formula either. It's nice and smooth, no chunky issues with the formula at all. So overall, a nice polish. Moving on to our hot pink metallic chrome polish, and to be honest, no problems with this one. It's pretty similar to Heat Shimmer. This one's called Bikini and no problems here. It's very similar to Heat Shimmer. Application is fine. It took more layers than usual on the clear nail, but that's because it's clear, where on my natural nails it's about 2 coats, and the formula of the polish is absolutely fine. It's similar to Heat Shimmer, so no problem with the shade of pink, and these are both nice summer colours, perfect for the beach. I thought with these 2 polishes as well, I would just check how well they stamp. So I've got a fake nail with black and white polish as the base to see how well both will look on both shades. And we'll start off with our hot pink bikini polish, and application of the polish onto the stamper kit is absolutely fine. This is just a weird video for me just doing application stuff, because even with the stamping, I'm stamping a bit weird. Like, I don't know why I'm not having the stamper in a holder and I'm just using the stamper head. But as I can see so far, the stamping process is working. The polish has actually transferred onto the stamper, and applying it onto our fake nail, you can see on the black it doesn't look that amazing, but on the white you can show the pink is showing up nicely. So overall, not a bad result. Let's test the same method again, but with our bronzer Heat Shimmer, and we are seeing similar results just like hot pink bikini. The application and the stamping process is working just as well as hot pink bikini, and when applying the design onto our fake nail, we have got similar results where the design is showing up on the white side, and on the black side it's not showing up that great. And those are the results I was kind of expecting, as when it comes to stamping, if you're not using stamping polish but you want to use regular polish, if you have the base color white, then the design will show up a lot more, and that is just due to regular polish not being highly pigmented in color compared to stamping polish. But if you use a white base color, you can get away with it. But on the black side, You can't see the design that well, but because this polish has a metallic look to it, depending on the type of design and result you are looking for, you could get away with having a black base, as the polish has got that metallic shimmer look to the polish. So if you were going for the metallic shimmer design on the black, which does look quite nice, you could get away with having a black base with this polish and also have a nice design at the end. So at the end of the day, it all comes down to personal preference and what results and design you are looking for with the polish. But I would say with these two polishes, you could get away with using them as stamping polishes, no doubt about that. And finally, we're moving on to the Emery board in the shape of a surfboard. Haven't really got a problem with this, it's just a nail file in the shape of a surfboard. I did notice, because the foam they've used for this Emery board is quite thick and it did feel very sturdy, so what I've done is I've actually punched a hole at the end with a hole puncher, and I've got a keyring, and I've turned this Emery board into a keyring because I thought, because it's quite a stiff one and I'm rubbish at always making sure I have a nail file on hand. Every time I put it in a bag, I either take it out or I lose it, so I lose things all the time. But the one thing I never lose is my car keys, so I thought, for how stiff this Emery board was, I've actually stuck it on my car keys, so wherever I go I will always have a nail file onto hand. So if any of you guys are like me who always forgets to put a nail file in the bag or just anywhere, or you lose them all the time, if you get a really stiff nail file, then you could turn it into a keyring. So there's my little top tip for you guys. But overall, that's today's nail polish from around the world video. Let me know in the comments down below what you thought of this set. Overall, I think for £5 you can't knock it. It's a perfect little nail polish kit, perfect for summer, and I'll definitely be wearing some of these polishes during the summer months, which is just around the corner. And overall, just a great set for sure. If any of you guys are trying to build up your own nail polish collection, then I highly recommend to check out TK Maxx, as you can get some really nice designer or upmarket polishes for really cheap, as half of the polishes in my collection have come from TK Maxx, as I always like to try and save money when I'm on the hunt for nail polish. So there are some top tips for you guys today. But yeah, that's everything for today's video. Leave a comment if you liked the polishes shown in today's video. If there's any other products you want to see, leave a comment down below. Leave this video a like, and if you have any friends or family who will like this video, make sure you share it with them. And that's everything. So just remember guys, keep being awesome, keep being amazing, and I'll see you in the next nail art video. Bye!